So, today was a really long day. We actually just got home and I don't even know what time. It's probably like 9 o'clock at night or something. And this morning we left for our Live in Okinawa video. We went up to a waterfall. Forgot what it's called, but I do have some footage of it. It was beautiful. And Chris actually came along with us. And then we spent the entire day pretty much wearing and modeling our clothing for our brand, Ryukyu. And we've been trying to get some good shots of this stuff, of us modeling it for our website, because actually this weekend is Black Friday, and we're gonna have a big Ryukyu Black Friday sale. So if anybody's interested, it'll be Black Friday all the way through Cyber Monday, this whole weekend, be discounted on merch. So we're gonna try and set up, we also just ate for the third time today. Actually, I had Subway. Chris was nice enough to sponsor us onto a base, and Kit had Popeyes, and I had Subway, and Chris had Burger King. So pretty nice. We were up in Nago, so it was Camp Schwab. That being said, it's been one hell of a day, and we have definitely done a lot today. We also, aside from the waterfall, we also stopped at Glass Beach and tried to model some shots, and we got some cool slow motion things. And I gotta be honest to my future self and to you guys, but this YouTube thing has really been sort of on the back burner. I am glad I am continuing to keep up with this and doing vlogs every other day, even if it's just me talking to my future self or talking to you guys about what's going on in the day. We have just been ridiculously busy, and Chris actually spent the day with us, and it was funny because at one point he was like, "Is this what you guys do like every day?" This was like at 5 o'clock, and he's like, "Man, I'm really tired and I'm really exhausted." I'm like, "We're like halfway through the day. We do this every single day. We're running around, we're doing like building the website, doing all kinds of stuff for Ryukyu and stuff like that. And then on top of that, we do have a job that we work on, which actually I feel bad because I like the job and it's helping us a lot, but it's also sort of getting in the way of us building stuff for ourselves. We are really busy people, and I want to document that. I even look tired. Look at that. But yeah, I thought it was funny at one point. Chris was like, "Is this what you guys do every day? How do you guys do this?" Or I don't know what he said, but he was really exhausted, and it was like, I could see why you guys don't have a lot of time for things. You know what? The lighting is really, Oh, that's bright. Okay, let's see. Let's turn on this light too. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Much more even lighting. And I'm finally home, and I'm about to turn on my computer for the first time today at 9 o'clock at night. And I'm normally sitting on the computer the whole time and just working, but today was just a crazy day. I do have to say though, it was a lot of fun with you guys too. We did a poll on our Patreon page for Live in Okinawa on where people wanted us to go, and you guys voted the waterfall that we went to, which we had never been to before, and it was really cool. We didn't have a whole lot of people in the live today. Long story short, everybody that is usually there is normally there, so thank you so much guys for doing that, joining us. It's always super fun, and it was a really nice drive today. It was a really nice day. Changed a bunch of clothes, got the Ryukyu merch on. But now it's time for me to sit down, turn on my computer, and we're actually probably gonna work on Ryukyu a little bit. We're still not done with the day today. I just wanted to talk about how busy our days actually have been recently. This is what people call the grind, the entrepreneur grind, right? Entrepreneur meaning somebody that's building something for themselves, right? And in this case, it's YouTube and this brand and all this stuff, and we're working really hard on it. And the grind is just balancing that with personal life as well as a regular job. You have to work really hard at a regular job, simultaneously work harder than probably you'll ever work on your business, because when it's first getting started, it requires a lot of work. I'm sure Kit's talked about this. We haven't had a honeymoon or anything, and next week, it's my birthday, by the way, in 2 days. Not today, but in 2 days. Today's the 22nd. My birthday is the 24th, which is crazy to me. I didn't realize that it's literally only 2 days away, and I'm working that day, surprisingly. Not surprisingly, just kidding. Next week, since I'm working on my birthday, next week week after that, we are gonna do a little honeymoon thing, and we rented this cabin like in the middle of the mountains. I don't know, it looks really cool. It's like up in Nago, and we got 2 nights there, and we're just gonna hang out and stay and take a much needed sort of vacation, even though we're not really going anywhere. We're just driving up to Nago. It'll be cool to check out. That being said, Okinawa is absolutely beautiful, and I'm so fortunate and so happy that I live here. It's really nice. I mean, it's becoming a daily grind, just like it was in California, but I feel like here I'm actually getting somewhere, which is crazy. California, I feel like no matter how much money you make, it's never enough. I know, you could say that about anywhere, but we barely had enough to survive, like the essentials, so it's not like we were blowing our money on it. In fact, we never really did anything. That's it today, guys. Just wanted to rant a little bit. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I can put more effort into these YouTube videos at some point. It's probably not good of me to say like, yeah, these aren't, I'm not giving enough effort into these. I do think these talks and stuff are important, but I really want to, get some really beautiful shots and cut them together really nicely to music and time them and do all this kind of stuff. Like cinematic type things that you normally see in movies. Like, that's where I want to be with this. And I'm making excuses, I guess, but yeah, we have a lot going on. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.